Hello, today we'll be comparing Mixpresso personal single-serve coffee maker and 14 Oz travel mug versus BLACK+DECKER split brew 12-cup digital coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing options: BLACK+DECKER is better. Capacity: BLACK+DECKER is better. Material built is Thai. Brew range control: BLACK+DECKER is better. Programmable features: BLACK+DECKER is better. Water reservoir: BLACK+DECKER is better. Keep warm function: BLACK+DECKER is better. After shut off: Thai. Grinder Thai. Milk frozen is Thai. Dimensions: Mixpresso is better. Ease of cleaning: Mixpresso is better. Care of type: BLACK+DECKER is winner. Compatibility: BLACK+DECKER is winner. Price: Mixpresso is winner. Special features: BLACK+DECKER is winner. If you want to get the most powerful, durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the BLACK+DECKER split brew 12-cup digital coffee maker. The link to buy it is in the video description.